Do you have an expensive Ideal Standard Ceratherm series faucet in your bath, or shower isn't getting hot? Don't replace the whole faucet. Today I'll show you how to remove and clean the thermostat easy, saving you a lot of money, so you can get back to a hot bath after a long day. I'm not sure of the exact technical name. Some call them faucets, taps, or water mixers, but you know I talk about that black stuff that combines cold and hot water. The problem is this mixer isn't delivering hot water, no matter the thermostat position. First task, shut off the main water supply to the mixer. Close the bath drain to avoid losing parts down the drain. Then remove the plastic cover. You can use a small needle, but I found the best way is using a simple suction cup. Next, using a Phillips screwdriver, while holding the thermostat handle, unscrew the bolt. It looks like my grandmother has done this cleaning before, as there are marker pen marks on the thermostat. You should mark a straight line across all parts, so you can put it back together, without having to recalibrate the temperature later. Now, find a wrench large enough to unscrew the locking nut. While you are turning it, hold the faucet steady. You don't want to snap a pipe. Then pull out the thermostat cartridge. It can be very stuck if it hasn't been removed in a long time. As you can see, my filter is full of debris, blocking several chambers. I use a bit of vinegar, which is an effective natural way to remove limescale. Wait 15 minutes for the vinegar to work, then take an old toothbrush and scrub the mesh and all the grooves. You can also unscrew the spring chamber to clean those parts. Just remember the order they go back in. You might notice one of my rubber rings is broken. My grandma told me it's been like that for years, and thermostat still works, so we'll keep going. Once fully washed, put it back together. It's best to treat the rubber rings with silicone grease. It helps the cartridge slide in, protects the seals, and makes future repairs easier. But chill, I don't actually have any silicone grease today. Look at how dirty this water is. All of that was stuck inside. Make sure to clean the inside of the tap housing too. To reinsert the thermostat, align the pan with the groove. Push thermostat in gently and tighten the locking nut. Use your feeling here. Don't over-tighten, as the nut is plastic. Put back the cover, ensure it rotates through the full range, and tighten the screw. Finally, pop the decorative cap back on. Open the main water valves and it's the moment of truth. The water is getting hot. It feels so good to have a hot bath again. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button. Good luck with your shower.